This is a 2009 Mini Cooper S. It features a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a cold weather package, the Convenience Package, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a Sport Package, and xenon headlights. The following features are also included: heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a rear window defroster, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, front fog lights, rear impact crumple zones, stability control, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 34,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 34 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.